Hello, dear students. Welcome to our online school. Let's start our English lesson. Today we will start a new unit dedicated to space and universe. In today's lesson, we will learn about our planet Earth, what it is, and how it appeared. Let's start.
In comparison with other planets, the Earth is the planet which is most familiar to us. When the astronauts of Apollo 8 flew around the moon, the first full picture was taken of the Earth. The Earth is one of 8 planets that originated as the result of the strong attraction of the Sun and its orbiting around the Sun. The Earth is hard and covered with an air layer and an almost completely round planet, like a ball.
Do you know how did the Earth appear? Let's read. Scientists believe that before the gas and dust merged to form a hot red ball, Earth had appeared like a cloud of gas and dust orbiting the Sun. Over a million years, this ball has cooled and a solid layer appeared on it. There is an assumption that for a billion years, water vapors had been emitting in form of rainfalls, which resulted in oceans in the basins of Earth layers. The other part of the Earth was formed by continents. Now, let's listen about what does the Earth look like from the space.
The Earth is a beautiful blue ball with green and brown spots. Until the 16th century, most people believed that the Earth was flat. Actually, it is round, but we cannot say that it is completely round. In its center, at the equator, there are lofted surfaces and its poles are slightly flat.
Let's learn the differences between the Earth and other planets. In our view, there is no life on any other planet of the solar system. So the Earth is distinguished by its life activity. Perhaps the Sun is one of stars, but the third planet located near it differs from others. The Earth is not too hot to boil water and not too cold to freeze water. It has atmosphere consisting of oxygen. It means it has an air envelope. The life on the Earth originated from water and oxygen. 3/4 of the Earth is covered by oceans. Therefore, it is called a blue planet. Now, let's do some exercises to remember the information we have just learned. In this exercise, you need to indicate which sentences are true and which are false. Let's start. Sentence number 1. The Sun moves around the Earth. Do you think it's true or false? It's false, of course. Number 2. The Earth moves around the Sun. Yes, well done. Sentence number 3. 1/3 of the Earth is covered by oceans. Do you think it's true? No, it's not correct. The right answer is 3/4 of the Earth is covered by oceans. Next, there is no life on other planets. True or false? True. And the last sentence. The Earth is red like Mars from the space. Do you think it's true? Of course not. This sentence is false. Well done. Next exercise. Let's complete the sentences with the right option. Sentence number 1. The first photo of the Earth was taken in... Can you remember when it was? 1968, 1958, 1971, or maybe 1954? Do you think 1958? No, this answer is not right. The right answer is 1968. Sentence number 2. The Earth, the Moon, or the Sun is one of 8 planets. Of course, it's Earth. Well done. Number 3. It's a beautiful blue planet with yellow, red, green, or colorful spots. Do you think red? Let's check. No, the right answer is green. It is a beautiful blue planet with green and brown spots. Now it's correct. And the last sentence. The Earth is not too hot to boil tea, milk, or water. Of course, water. The Earth is not too hot to boil water and not too cold to freeze water. Good job! In this exercise, we need to match the words with pictures. Let's start. Word number 1 is ocean. Can you see a picture of ocean? Great! Next word is the earth. Where is the picture of the earth? Well done! Next word, planet. Can you see a picture of a planet? Well done! And the last one is continent. And you're right, this is a picture of a continent. Fantastic! Now, let's answer some multiple choice questions about Earth and space. Question number 1. What is the view of the Earth from the space like? The ball with a ring in the center, red, a cloud of gas and dust, or a beautiful blue ball with green and brown spots? Yes, you're right. It looks like a beautiful blue ball with green and brown spots. Question number 2. Name the red planet. Neptune, Mars, Mercury, or Venus? Do you think it's Mercury? No, this is not the right answer. What is the red planet? It is Mars. Well done. Question number 3. What is distinguished by the Earth? There is no life on Earth. There is life on Earth. It is the 3rd planet in the solar system. Or it is too hot to boil water. Exactly, there is life on Earth. You are right. And the last question. Which part of the Earth is covered by the oceans? 3/4, 2/3, half, or 1/3? Do you think 2/3? Let's check. No, this is not the right answer. Then which part of Earth is covered by the oceans? 3/4. Well done. Good job. Let's continue. And the last thing we're going to learn today is the movement of the Earth. Let's watch a quick video.
Because the Earth is rotating anti-clockwise, the Sun appears to move across the daytime sky in the opposite direction. The Sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west each day. In summer, the Earth is tilted towards the Sun, making it appear higher in the sky. In winter, the Sun appears to be lower in the sky because the Earth is tilted away from it.
Now, let's complete the sentences with the right words. The daytime movement of the Sun across the sky is not real but apparent, rotation, or sunset. Apparent. Well done. Each day, The sun appears to rise in the west, east, or south. West? No, this is not the right answer. The sun rises in the east. Now it's correct. And to appear, set, or rise in the west. It sets in the west. The sun appears to be high in the sky at noon in the north, summer, or winter. Summer, well done. The higher midday position of the sun in the summer sky is due to the Earth's shape, rotation, or tilt. Do you think rotation? No, this is not right. This is due to Earth's tilt. This is the correct answer. This is why shadows are longer in winter, sunset, or summer. Winter, well done.
Like all the other planets in our solar system, the Earth orbits the nearest star, the Sun. The Sun is approximately 150 million kilometers away, and it takes the Earth 1 year to cover this vast distance through space. Scientists have discovered that the Earth rotates 365.25 times during one orbit of the Sun. The precise figure is 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes, and 45.5 seconds. This means that a year is not exactly 365 days long, and so an extra day must be added every 4 years, during a leap year, to prevent the seasons gradually becoming out of line with the calendar.
And now let's do the last exercise for today. Here, you need to complete the sentences with the right words. Let's read the words together. Star, exactly, approximately, million, orbit, calendar, reach, March, year, February, thousand, planet. There are some extra words that you don't need. Now you have some time to complete the sentences, and then we will check together. Now let's check. A year lasts for approximately 365.25 days. This is the time it takes for the Earth to orbit the nearest star, which is the Sun. An extra day is added to February every 4 years so that the seasons stay in the line with the calendar. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is roughly 150 million kilometers. This is the end of our lesson. We have learned a lot of information about our planet today. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.